guys, I'm back. Don't mind the music in the back if you can hear it. Today I'm gonna be doing how I would do my makeup if I was in Love Island. I'm pretty sure I did a like what I would wear if I was in Love Island like a few weeks ago, and you guys seem to like it, so I'm gonna do how I would do my makeup. So let's get into it. So they're in Fiji right now. It's like really hot there, so I'm just gonna start with some powder. And I'm just gonna go right to concealer, no foundation. Bronzer. Blush. I'm gonna add a little bit of this blush because I love blush. Highlight. Some powder. I know it looks crazy right now, but trust the process. Now I'm just gonna add some eyeshadow. I'm gonna add some of this dark one. Some eyeliner. Okay, the eyeliner is done. I'm just gonna add some mascara. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend all this. Lip liner. Lip gloss. I'm just gonna add some extra concealer. Setting spray. Hey guys, here's the makeup. I kind of rushed with it. I tried to do like a simple look since, like I said, like it's hot in Fiji. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and subscribe for more.